How to make a Facebook avatar, Android Central. If you've spent any time on Facebook recently, you've probably seen a lot of your friends and family sharing digital avatars of themselves on the social network. If you've been wondering what the heck these are, you aren't alone. Facebook recently rolled out a new feature aptly named Facebook Avatars, which allows you to create a Bitmoji-like version of yourself that you can use as your Facebook profile picture and make sticker packs. With these stickers, you can share them as comments on Facebook posts and in Facebook Messenger. First things first, let's talk about how you go about making your Facebook avatar. Getting to the right spot is simple, but the process for making your avatar is rather thorough. Once your avatar is created, there are a couple of things you can do with it, one of which is using it in stickers that you can use in comments on Facebook posts. Additionally, you can also use these avatar stickers in Facebook Messenger. They work just like they do when commenting on a Facebook post. But accessing them is slightly different. Following Apple removing Fortnite from its App Store, and the subsequent announcement of an Epic Games lawsuit against the company, Google seems to have done the same. There's a lot to look forward to with Android 11. But when will your phone actually get it? Here's everything we know. The Google Assistant is the most useful smart voice assistant for getting your questions answered and keeping track of your digital life. But it's also great at helping you control your smart home devices and services. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.